Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of creatures that survive by drinking blood. Yes, you heard that right. Blood! These creatures are often misunderstood and sometimes feared, but they have some of the most intriguing adaptations in the animal kingdom. Get ready, because we're about to uncover some seriously cool facts about these real-life vampires. From the tiny mosquito to the larger vampire bat, each of these creatures has a unique way of finding and consuming blood. You might think these creatures are creepy, but they play an important role in our ecosystem. For instance, mosquitoes are a food source for many animals, and vampire bats help control insect populations. Even leeches have medical uses, so let's learn about them together. We'll explore how they find their hosts, the special adaptations they have for feeding, and the surprising benefits they bring to their environments. Did you know that some animals need blood to live? It's not just a snack for them, it's a vital part of their diet. Without it, they wouldn't survive. It's true! These animals are called hematophagous, which is a big word for blood-eating. This term comes from the Greek words haima, meaning blood, and phagene, meaning to eat. We're going on a wild ride to learn about their super sneaky ways. From the mosquito's stealthy approach to the vampire bat's nighttime raids, each of these creatures has evolved incredible methods to get their meal. So buckle up, because this journey into the world of bloodsuckers is going to be both thrilling and educational. Let's start with the mosquito. Did you know that only female mosquitoes bite? They need the protein in blood to develop their eggs. Their proboscis is like a tiny needle that pierces the skin to suck blood. Next, we have the vampire bat. These bats are the only mammals that feed entirely on blood. They have heat sensors on their noses to locate blood vessels close to the skin of their prey. Once they find a good spot, they make a small incision with their sharp teeth and lap up the blood. And let's not forget the leech. Leeches have been used in medicine for centuries. They secrete an anticoagulant to keep the blood flowing while they feed. This property is so useful that leeches are still used in modern medicine to help heal wounds and restore blood flow. So, the next time you see one of these creatures, remember that they're not just creepy crawlies. They're fascinating examples of nature's ingenuity. Thanks for joining us on this adventure into the world of bloodsuckers. Stay curious and keep exploring.
These blood-drinking creatures are like something out of a comic book. They have incredible adaptations that help them find and feast on blood. Imagine how
That annoying buzzing sound can only mean one thing: mosquitoes. But did you know that it's only the female mosquitoes that bite? That's right. They need the nutrients from blood to lay their eggs. Talk about girl power. These moms are on a mission to provide for their young. They have a special mouth part called a proboscis that's like a tiny straw for sipping blood. Next time you get a mosquito bite, remember it's just a mother doing her job. Section 5: Vampire Bats, Myth versus Reality. Vampire bats are the stuff of legends, but unlike the vampires in movies, these bats don't actually suck blood. They have sharp teeth that make a tiny cut in their sleeping prey, and then they lap up the blood. Vampire bats usually feed on animals like cows and horses, and don't worry, they only need a tiny bit of blood to survive. In fact, a vampire bat can drink its fill in about 30 minutes.
Section 6: Bedbugs, Tiny Travelers, Big Bites. Bedbugs are tiny insects that like to live in warm, cozy places, like beds. They are experts at hiding and can be tricky to spot. Bedbugs come out to feed at night while we're sleeping. They bite exposed skin and drink their fill of blood without us even noticing. Luckily, bedbugs don't usually spread diseases, but their bites can
example, bats help control insect populations. Without bats, we would have even more mosquitoes to deal with. And leeches? Well, they can be helpful in medicine. Some leeches produce a special substance that prevents blood from clotting, which can be useful in certain medical procedures.
Section 9. Science to the rescue. Scientists are always studying blood-sucking creatures to learn more about them. They want to understand how these creatures find their prey, how they feed, and how they spread diseases. This research helps us develop new ways to prevent bites and treat the diseases they carry. Science is amazing, isn't it? By studying these creatures, we can protect ourselves and stay healthy.
Section 10. Staying safe from bites. Now that we know a bit more about blood-sucking creatures, let's talk about how to stay safe from their bites. When you're going outside, especially in grassy areas, wear long sleeves and pants to protect your skin. Using bug spray with DEET can also keep those pesky mosquitoes away. And don't forget to check yourself for ticks after spending time outdoors. Remember, a little prevention can go a long way.
Section 11. Fun facts about bloodsuckers. Get ready to dive into the intriguing world of creatures that thrive on blood. These fascinating facts will surely surprise you. Ready for some fun facts? Let's explore the amazing world of bloodsuckers together. Here are a few amazing things about bloodsuckers. Did you know that a mosquito can smell a human from up to 200 feet away? That's right. These tiny insects have an incredible sense of smell that helps them locate their next meal from a great distance. To put that into perspective, that's longer than a bowling lane. Imagine a mosquito detecting you from that far away. It's like having a superpower but for finding food. Some leeches can survive for months without a meal. These resilient creatures can go without feeding for up to a year in some cases. They have an incredible ability to store nutrients and survive in harsh conditions. Vampire bats have special heat sensors on their noses that help them find blood vessels. These sensors are so precise that they can detect the warmth of blood flowing just beneath the skin, making it easier for them to feed. Bed bugs can live for up to a year without food. These tiny pests are incredibly hardy and can survive in the most challenging environments. They hide in crevices and come out at night to feed on their unsuspecting hosts. There's so much to learn about these fascinating creatures. From their unique adaptations to their survival strategies, bloodsuckers are truly remarkable. So next time you encounter one, remember these fun facts and appreciate the incredible world of bloodsuckers.
Section 12. Keep exploring. That's all for today's adventure into the world of blood-sucking creatures. Remember, while these creatures might seem a little creepy, they are an important part of our planet. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop learning about the amazing world around us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and interesting science videos. See you next time.